y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Deona Alexus and I'm back with another video. Today I will be showing y'all how to achieve the slick back. You feel me? I will include the edges part 2, so don't worry, I got you, girl. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this, make sure you keep watching. Alright, so I just got out of the shower, which is why my hair's in my bonnet right now. But first, I'm just going to show you all of the things I may or may not be using. So first, of course, you got to have some gel. Well, you don't have to, but I'm using gel. This is the Eco Styler, and I have it upside down because I want it on the top. And then this is just some Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel, flaxseed gel. And then I have, you know, one of those soft bristle brushes, and I have another one. I just don't like too much gel being on this one, so I have another one. And then I have a dimming brush, which I just got from Walmart, I think that's what it's called, dimming. But anyway, then I have oil that I'll be using, and I'm gonna tell y'all what that is when I use it. And then I have this upside down too. It's a leave-in conditioner, but it's not that much in there, which is why I have it upside down. And then gotta have the spray bottle with the water. I have some bobby pins and other stuff that I may or may not use. And then I have a comb, and the rat tail actually broke off, but I have another one somewhere. I'll find that when I need it. And then I have a hair bow on my wrist and a headband. I think that's all. Oh, and then a scarf. So let's get to this hair. And what I'm about to do is just wet it a little bit or a lot, depending on how I feel. I don't know how this is. Okay, that's good. I'm just trying to make sure my hair is not chirping everywhere. That's why I'm just kind of squeezing my hair. And now I'm going with the leave-in conditioner. It's the Thank God It's Natural brand, the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-in Conditioner. Alright, so when I'm putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair, I really just try to focus on like my ends, because that's gonna be the puff part, and like my edges, because it's gonna have a lot of gel on it. Alright, I think I'm good now. Now I'm about to oil my scalp. Alright, the oil I'm using is from a Richmond stylist, actually. It's the Slay collection. It's called the Strengthening Growth Oil with Keratin Protein. It smells so good, bro. Like, for real. But yeah, it says it stimulates healthy hair growth, strengthens hair, and reduces breakage, promotes thick hair and full edges, you feel me? But yeah, I'm finna put this in my hair. Alright, so I put like it's running down, but I put like 4 on the sides and then like 3 in the back, and then I just, you know, work it in my scalp. Alright, after I'm done with that massaging, I just put a little bit more on my hands and put on my edges, because those gotta be good too. Just put like a little bit, because oil, you know, oil goes a long way. So, and I don't want it to be too much. And then just put the extra, you know, Now we're about to get into the actual slicking back part. Alright, so first thing I do is I part my hair. It's just like, it's not my final part. I just try to get a little measurement. Not measurement, but you know. And when I part my hair, I just, well, first I try to go straight back or like a simple curve. But don't comb your hair. Like, I know it probably look like I'm combing my hair, but I wasn't. Like, I was, and then I was making sure the hair came out. But yeah, if your hair is not detangled, which mine is clearly not, do not be trying to rake through your hair, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna just start with this part, and then I'm gonna take like sections of my hair and put them. And sometimes I do ponytails and sometimes I do twists. I think I'm gonna just do a twist and then pin it with a bobby pin. I'm gonna do something, I don't know. I guess that's what I'm doing. And basically, like, when I'm doing this, I just try to get a good part across the back of my hair. So that gives me like a starting point. My hair is in a little section back here, and now we're just about to slap some gel up there and get it right. I didn't know which gel I was gonna use, but I'm gonna just go with the Eco Styler gel. Now I'm just putting it up here. I'm not really trying to put it on my ends because that's gonna be down my hair, and yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this soft bristle, and I'm just gonna like smooth it out a little bit. Yeah, that's basically what I did. And I'm gonna just like, you know, do some more parts, and then when I get like to the top, I will talk more about what I'm doing. Alright, so I've gotten to the top, as you can see. This is what it look like at the top. I know this part's not even, but I really don't care. Alright, so now I'm just going to be adding like a lot more gel at the top because, of course, this is where you need to be down, like slick. So yeah, I'm about to do that, and then I'll show y'all like how I do my part. And when I get like to the side, I basically just put the gel on the brush so that it doesn't like take too much. I'm not doing too much. I had to move a little bit because, yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all can barely see with that black background. But yeah, I'm just doing a light slick right here because I still have to fix my part. And then over here, I'm just gonna slick it down because I ain't gotta fix nothing over there. When I get to like the side that my, you know, that part is on, the side that the part is not on, I really try to like focus on what I'm doing, because just like the middle, this side gotta be slick too, because I'm about to have all this hair right here. And yeah, so I'm about to just pack the gel on as much as I can allow, because I really don't like gel in my hair, but we about to do it. Alright, so I think I'm done with all the gel I'm gonna put in here. But I know y'all probably like, this girl then said she using a dimming brush and she ain't even use it yet, but this is where this comes in handy. I just try to get like the bulk of my hair down, since this is gonna be where most of my hair is gonna be. I don't go all the way through. I just try to use it to make it lay a little straighter. Well, not straighter, but flatter. I just go like back and forth between the soft bristle and then the dimming, but I think I'm good right now. I'm just gonna put this in the ponytail and work on the front of my head. Now I'm about to keep slicking on the left side, and then after I get that hair out of my face, I'm gonna undo this ponytail, and then I'm gonna fix my part. And over here I'm just trying to do like smaller sections because, you know, you gotta have it flat. And I'm using the brush instead of my hand to put the gel on my hair. Alright, so I'm kind of at the middle, but when I get to the middle, I just do like a middle part because I usually use this part of my hair for fixing the part. This is probably as far as I'm gonna let the curve go to the middle, so that's why I just do a middle part. Yeah, I'm gonna just slick down this piece and I'm gonna show y'all how I fix my part. Actually, I might not have to take too much of this ponytail out. So first of all, what I'm about to do is I do need to like brush my hair into like a little ponytail kind of, because I make sure my part is like right behind my baby hair. Well, not always, but that's what I'm gonna do today. And I'm just gonna make sure that it's straight, you know? Well, not straight, but you know, in a decent curve. I can't get it right, y'all. It's going too far for me, I think. Yeah, that's too far. Alright, we finna just leave it like this. I know it probably don't really look bad on the camera, but I'm just a little bit of a perfectionist, you know? But we about to just keep going. Now I'm about to just keep slicking this little front part down. Alright, to finish, I'm putting gel on both sides of this piece of hair. And as y'all can see, this little part keep coming up, so we're gonna have to do some extra stuff with that. Alright, so now that my hair is down as best as it's gonna get, I'm about to do my edges. And I didn't tell y'all I was using toothbrush, but yeah, I'm using just a regular Colgate toothbrush to do my edges. And the Cassava gel. This is basically, bro, my part is not it. I gotta fix this. I don't know how this happened, but yeah, I gotta fix this. This is where I also fix my part, because as you can see, I'll be wanting like the part to go all the way around rather than like stopping back there somewhere. I'm just trying to like get the, you know, the shape right, and then fix it up. I really don't like too much of my hair sticking out. I really just like everything pulled back, but if I see that it's not really trying to go back, I just pull it down. And yeah, see, look, this is why I hate this, but we're just gonna keep it how it is. I really don't like that side either, but like I said, we're gonna keep it how it, you know what? No, we gonna keep it. Alright, so this is what I'm looking like. Let me get over here. And yeah, I'll let y'all know how I wrap this up after I come back. Alright, so this is the final look. I did redo my edges over here because I just did not like the way that it was looking. So this is how it looks now. I'm gonna just do a little pan. I do want to show y'all how I like wrap this up. So basically I take this long scarf and I fold it in half. And then the side that's like the open side, I put that in the back of my head because the open side be prone to give you lines on your forehead. I already be getting lines from the closed side, so I just put it up here like that. And then I try to pull it back as far as I can without showing my edges because they start so close to my eyebrows. So, and do this lightly now because you don't want to mess up the hair now. But yeah, I just make sure I pull it tight. I don't like put it on top of my ears. It's just not for me. But I kind of grab it like, I can't even get it on the open part. And then grab it on the other side and pull it. So yeah, and then I just wrap it back up. And I don't, my edges are kind of already laid, so I'll try to tie it like where I know it might stick up, which is like at the top of my head. And yeah, I just tie them up. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you guys got something out of this. Let me know if this helped you. If so, make sure you like the video. If you like the way I slicked it on back, make sure you like the video too. Share it, you might help somebody. You know, some people don't know how to do a slick back. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and also turn on your post notifications because I'm about to be posting, so you don't want to miss it. All right. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.